This is CryptoCake Weekly Update with BitBoy Crypto.
Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week, we saw Bitcoin take its first leg down in a while, the epic rise and fall of a DeFi project, and Coinbase preparing to offer loans to customers. Can you say bullish? But first, the top story of the week, a $250 million bet on Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to prove to traditional investors that it has value. This is why we've seen Wall Street slowly creep into the cryptoverse. But some firms do not prefer the slow approach. This week, a data analytics firm, MicroStrategy, bought 21,000 BTC that was valued at over $250 million at the time of the buy. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor stated that he believes Bitcoin is a solid store of value with long-term potential better than simply holding cash. In addition, he also echoed what many Bitcoin and crypto enthusiasts have been saying all year. The pandemic has ushered in a period of chaos that, while bad for the world, seems to point to Bitcoin growing stronger due to global uncertainty. Bitcoin, however, was unmoved by the news of the large buy that represented 0.01% of the max supply of BTC. This week, we saw Bitcoin once again break the $12,000 resistance level, only to immediately be pushed back down to 11.4K. Bitcoin has now broke 12K twice in the last 3 weeks and has been heavily rejected both times. This week, we saw one of the most incredible rises followed by a devastating collapse in the world of decentralized finance. Over the last few months, DeFi has generated more money than any other niche in crypto, and people are looking to take advantage of that. Yield farming has become the latest craze, and this week people got burned by, of all things, a sweet potato. YAMFinance, going by the ticker YAM, debuted this week and immediately started popping off. The decentralized yield farming project more than doubled in price, seeing heights of $170 before a total collapse. The price sunk almost 99% after a bug was found in the code. Coincidentally, this bug was found shortly after scam accusations were levied against YAM. While many people would think a 99% fall in an hour would mean the death of a project, the YAM community took over the governance of the project and says it will continue. They're nice farmers. I've heard of buying the dip, but getting in YAM after a 99% fall sounds more like buying the crater. Lastly, we take a look at Coinbase getting ready to join the ranks of Celsius and BlockFi by offering Bitcoin-backed loans. You will be able to borrow fiat currency against up to 30% of your Bitcoin holdings. It does not sound like at this moment any other cryptocurrencies will be offered. These loans are designed for someone to be able to pull cash out for big purchases, paying off credit cards, financing major events like weddings, and much more. Taking traditional loans to buy crypto is extremely risky due to the volatility of prices. However, taking crypto-backed loans is borrowing against your own holdings, not thin air. Make sure you tune in next week as we examine if decentralized finance is actually having a negative effect on Ethereum, and we take a look at whether or not Bitcoin was able to finally continue its run. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. BitBoy Crypto signing off. See you next week.